Hi friends, I'm talking this video about entrepreneurial life of Senapati Chris Gopalakrishnan. He was born on April 5, 1955 in Trivandrum, Kerala, and he educated MSc and MTech in India in Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, and his net worth is 2.3 billion US dollars as of October 2019 records. Senapati Gopalakrishnan, popularly known as Chris Gopalakrishnan is chairman of Axelar Ventures, a company supporting and funding startups, and was former executive vice chairman of Infosys, a global consulting and IT services company based in India. He is also one of its 7 founders. He was elected as the president of India's Apex Industry Chamber Confederation of Indian Industry for the year 2013 to 14. And he says that in 1993, we were 300 employees and a revenue of 10 million. We hit the first $1 billion in 2003, second $1 billion in 2005. Today, of course, Infosys is about 11 to 12 billion. Not in our wildest dreams did we ever think Infosys could grow as big as it did. This was a different world, a different area. Infosys in 1981. Gopalakrishnan co-founded Infosys with 6 other entrepreneurs. His initial years at Infosys included management of design, development, implementation, and support of information systems for clients in the US. Consumer products industry from 1987 to 1994. Gopalakrishnan headed the technical operations of KSA or Infosys. It is a joint venture between Infosys and KSA in Atlanta, Georgia. In 2007, Gopalakrishnan took over as CEO and Managing Director of Infosys Technologies Limited from Nandan Nilekani. During his 4-year tenure, Infosys top line doubled to $6 billion. Gopalakrishnan previously served as Chief Operating Officer since April 2002 and as the President of Joint Managing Director since August 2006. His responsibilities included customer services, technology, investments and acquisitions. In August 2011, he handed over the responsibility of CEO and MD to his colleague and another co-founder of Infosys, SD Shibulal. And next, Axelar Ventures is a new generation platform for supporting early stage entrepreneurs, founded by SD Shibulal, Chris Gopalakrishnan, Srinath Bhatni, Professor Tarun Khanna, and Ganapati Venugopal through its programs which include Accelerator, Scale Up and Early Stage Funding. Axelar aims to support early stage entrepreneurs and improve their odds of success. It is currently based out of India with its headquarters in Bangalore. His philanthropies, Gopalakrishnan has contributed rupees 225 crores, approximately $40 million, to develop a center for brain research at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. He is the donor of the largest philanthropic gift ever received by the 105-year-old institute from the individual. He has contributed an additional rupees 60 crores, approximately $10 million, to set up distinguished visiting chairs in neurocomputing and data science at the Indian Institute of Technology of Bangalore and Indian Institute of Technology Madras of Chennai. In 2011, Government of India awarded him with the Padma Bhushan, which is India's third highest civilian honor. Okay, thank you.